The history of biological weapons is as old as time itself. In 1932, Japan flew wheat-infected germs into Chinese territory. As a result, 3,000 people died in China due to the plague. Biological weapons are considered dangerous because in a short period of time, people in large areas get sick and die. Biological weapons are considered more dangerous than chemical weapons. This is because the infection is spread not only through food but also through meat and fish but also through fruits. Therefore, in terms of effectiveness, this weapon is more dangerous than chemical weapons. The coronavirus is growing at a tremendous rate, with reports that it will soon reach billions of people. The virus will kill 33 million people in just 6 months, Bill Gates warned. An even greater concern for the world is what would happen if these biological weapons reached terrorist groups. In 2016, the International Atomic Energy Agency (IAEA) suspected that the Islamic State terrorist group was trying to gain access to biological weapons and was training terrorists. At the time, James Stavridis, a senior US official, said that if deadly viruses such as Ebola and Zika were to fall into the hands of terrorists, they would spread around the world, killing 400 million people. Obviously, this is a matter of concern for our country as well, because our country is also facing terrorists, as well as our country's borders are connected with countries like China and Pakistan. There was talk of a chemical attack in 2017 when people in Afghanistan started getting large blisters on their bodies. Man's history is full of radical wars. From ancient times, the weapons of war have been used to destroy the enemy. Once armed war was affordable, but biological warfare is never deadly. This is where the biological war started. Who invented it? This will be noticed after going through the pages of history. According to one source, Britain was the first country to use biological weapons in its war against the United States. Year 1763, biological weapons against the Red Indians. In the 20th century, war broke out between Britain and France to occupy Canada. At that time, Native Americans supported France. At that time, Britain released a virus called smallpox, which led to the spread of the epidemic and the death of many Native Americans. The British imperialists in America had killed the Red Indians by allowing them to use sticks filled with plague, chickenpox and smallpox to kill them. World War I. In World War I, Germany was hit by anthrax, Flanders, cholera and plague. In St. Petersburg, Russia. After the First World War, the League of Nations ratified the Geneva Protocol banning the use of biological weapons. However, in World War II, Germany, Japan, Britain and the United States freely used botulinum toxin, which causes plague, syphilis and paralysis. 22 years after World War II, the United Nations imposed a complete ban on the manufacture and use of biological weapons. About 179 countries signed the treaty, but allowed all nations to conduct defensive research to find a solution to a biological attack or disease. Taking advantage of this, the United States used Agent Orange in Vietnam and depleted uranium in Iraq. 1932, Japan's biological invasion of China. Knowing the history of biological attack, Japan's cruelty will not go unnoticed. In 1932, Japan launched a biological attack on China. The plague virus was released from a plane into the Chinese border. Not only that, in the early 1940s, Japan experimented on Chinese prisoners by producing organisms that invite many diseases such as typhoid, cholera, plague, and anthrax. Surviving Chinese prisoners were shredded to release the virus. In the year 1968, 6,000 sheep died due to poisoning. The incident took place in 1968 when 6,000 sheep died in the Skull Valley in the United States. This was the cause of the sheep's death. The sheep were killed while the United States Army's chemical and biological warfare program was testing chemical weapons, so America's brass was exposed to the world. Despite the fact that the world knows that biological warfare is unaffordable, many countries have resorted to it, the fruits of which are still being felt by millions of innocent people. Weapons of mass destruction. According to the World Health Organization, biological weapons include microorganisms that are harmful to the human body, such as viruses and bacteria. These harmful microorganisms are spread with the intention of harming human health. The purpose of a biological weapon is to kill humans, animals, plants, or to cause disease. The use of biological weapons can lead to more and more deaths in less time. This weapon can target certain communities, parts of the region. Massacre. Biological weapons are among the most widely used weapons of mass destruction. Many countries in the world are trying to make biological weapons very fast. Not only that, but terrorist organizations are also trying to seize and manufacture these biological weapons, so there are fears of a biological terrorist attack all over the world. The Biological and Toxin Weapons Convention (BWC) Conference on the Development, Production and Stockpiling of Biological Weapons was held on March 26, 1975. However, no such effort seems to have been made at the global level to faithfully abide by the Biological Weapons Convention. The use of biological weapons since ancient times. Biological weapons have been used since ancient times. Arrows have been used in the slaughter of nomadic Scythian tribes in Siberia over 400 BC. Biological invasions are also mentioned in Persian, Greek, and Roman literature. Dead animals were thrown into water wells, so the poison was was spread in the water, so after drinking this water, people in the surrounding area used to die. In 190 BCE, King Hannibal won the Battle of Eurymedon by throwing venomous snakes at his enemy ships. In the 14th century, Tatar warriors threw the bodies of those killed by the plague into the city during a battle for control. It was later used by the British as well. More deadly, bio-bombs in modern times. In the 1900s, bio-weapons became even more deadly. Germany is said to have used biological weapons during World War I. Germany is said to have used a fungus from anthrax, Flanders bacteria, cholera and wheat crops. Germany is also accused of spreading the plague in St. Petersburg, Russia. Then in 1925, 108 countries signed the Geneva Protocol. Even after the agreement was signed, Japan is said to have tested a secret biological weapon on prisoners during World War II. The War Research Service was established by the United States in 1942. The United States has since claimed to have consistently tested biological weapons. Britain is accused of using biological weapons in 1957. China has accused the United States of spreading the cholera epidemic in Hong Kong in 1961. Terrorist attack threat to India. With the proliferation of biological weapons around the world, there is a growing danger that these deadly weapons could fall into the hands of terrorists. Faced with terrorist attacks in Pakistan, India is at risk of biological terrorist attacks. According to experts, terrorists can spread a deadly virus in India with the help of powders and aerosol sprays. Not only that, they can kill thousands of people by spreading a poison in drinking water or food. Experts also say that creating the virus needed for this task is easier and less expensive.